it's Lookiero. Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody is feeling very well today. I thought we would do our September Lookiero. I requested some full outfits that I wanted to wear. I did request to have shoes. I didn't know they didn't do shoes, so I didn't get any shoes. So I wanted a complete look. So it's unfortunate that I couldn't get any shoes or boots. I hope they do introduce that in the future. So for those of you that do not know, Lookiero is a clothing monthly subscription. It will cost you £10 per month. That is your styling fee. If you should keep anything in your box, that £10 will come off any piece of clothing that you keep. Or if you keep nothing, you lose your £10. I will leave a link in the description down below. So if you'd like to give Lookiero a try, please use my discount code. I can't remember actually. What do you get? Wait a minute, I've got the thing here. Oh, you get 10% off your first box and I will get £10 credited to my account. So it's a win-win for both you and me. So you get it in normally a great big box. And there are our bundles. So you do get some paperwork, which I always leave it to the end, as you guys know what my regulars do. Also get a return bag, so anything you don't want to keep, just pop it in there. That is a free of charge service. And then you get a couple of bundles. So have a look at our first. Okay, so that's quite a nice colour. I'm not sure what that is. Then there's possibly a jumper there and jeans. So let's have a look. Okay, so first item I like a lot. I think this colour's like maybe like a grey, although in person it looks a bit, I don't know, like a blue-ish colour. I'm not sure. It's got orangey, what does that say? Sherry. I like that. Is it? No, it's not. I thought it might be the velvet one that I had before. That's nice. Looks nice. Nice length. Look forward to trying that on. And then we have the jumper. This is quite pretty actually. Yeah, I like that actually. It is black on the bottom of the sleeve area. Then there is some like glitter. And the rest is like a beige fawn colour. This is quite casual. I like this. I like the V-neck. Perhaps might have liked it a little bit longer, maybe a tad longer. I love the feel of this. This quality is outstanding. It is a very nice feeling jumper. Very nice. Next we have a pair of black jeans. Okay. Oh, these have got zips at the bottom. So these do have a bit of stretch in them. And they have little zips on the corner, on the end of the leg. God, I can't speak. I'm excited. These are cute. I haven't got anything like this, so I look forward to trying them. Just hope they're not too long. Doesn't say, just says regular skinny. Oh, ankle jeans. Yay! I think this is Toby that has put this box together. He has like been hitting it great guns the last few boxes I've had. So I feel like Toby's probably getting to know me quite well now. So they are a definite happy smile. Okay, nice items. Pleased with those. So this is our second bundle, and inside we have this, whatever that is, beautiful autumn colours. And we have, possibly looks like maybe a jacket. It's like, see on camera it comes up completely like different colour. This is more like a tan in real life. So let's have a look and see what we have. Okay, so, oh, I'm not sure about this, guys, I'll be honest. So it's got the old buttons going down the front. What are the sleeves doing? The sleeves are very sheer. So is that one. Is that elastic in the waist? No, I thought it was elastic in the waist, but it's not. It's then kind of like tiered, if that makes sense. It's got a ruffle in that tier. It's a nice long one. I could imagine this with some nice little ankle boots actually. I'm not sure about this, guys, I'll be honest. I like the colour, I'm just not sure of the style, but I need to try it on to make up my mind. And then we do have a jacket. I like this. Wow, that's nice. And I don't own anything in this colour. It's quite basic, but it is nice. Very nice. I like that too. Oh my god! Just a shame about the dress not quite being my style, but it may look a lot better on than off. Right, so I'm going to jump into this lot and I'll be back very shortly for you to see the try on. Bye. Hi guys, so here we are back with the try on. I do have the jacket on, the t-shirt and the black jeans to show you. So I'm going to pop you down and we'll get started. Okay, so I'm going to stand back so you can see. So as you can see, I have got the jacket on. I have to say I really like it. As usual, the sleeves are a little bit too long, but it's fine, it's okay. The pockets are real. It does zip up. It is quite snug, but then I wouldn't want the neck size up because I think it would be too big. And probably I wouldn't wear this jacket particularly closed anyway. So yeah, it's a nice fit. It's coming across on camera as quite a red tone, but it's not. It's more of a tan colour, which I really, really do like. Don't own anything in this colour. So, yeah, like it. I probably prefer it opened actually rather than zipping it closed. But I think it's a nice fit actually. Yeah, like it a lot. Then let's have a look at the t-shirt. I really like this t-shirt. I like the fit. It's lovely. It's comfortable. It's lightweight. It's good quality. I'd say it's like a dark grey. I like the sleeve length. I like the body length. And I love this writing here, this sherry. It's really nice. And I think it really looks nice with the jacket on. It complements it well when I wear the jacket open. So guys, what do you think? I think it's really, really nice. Yeah, fits perfectly. I like this. It's nice. Right, then on to the jeans. Let me just shove it down. So I have the jeans on. Now, I like these jeans. There's plenty of room. They are a touch bit too long. Let me just show you the length on them. So they do have zips here, which I really do like. However, they are a little bit long and they come way past my ankle. Now, if anybody can tell me or knows why I get this ripple effect on some jeans or trousers that I wear, is it a sizing issue? Because I do prefer them to look a little bit more smoother. Can you see that, guys? What is that all about? I mean, I won't be keeping these jeans because of that, but I would actually like to know if anybody does know whether this is a sizing issue, a material issue, whether they're too big, too small. I don't think it looks very flattering. I think it looks absolutely awful. It's a shame as well because I actually do like them. They're really, really, really comfortable. But I just don't like this ribbon effect. Can you guys see it? Like, even when I walk, it just keeps this doing this ribbon thing. Do you get what I mean, guys? Can you see that? I just don't like it. Don't like that at all. Okay, so that's the first 3 items. Hang fire and then we'll be back with the next items. See you in a minute. Hi guys, so here we are. I put the little black jumper on. I've left it on with the jeans. So let's see how this looks. Okay, so I love this jumper. I find it very, very comfortable. I'm not normally a jumper person. I don't even know if I own any jumpers, probably a couple, but yeah, I'm not really a jumper person. I like the design of this. I love the material. It's very lightweight. I like the V-neck area on it. It does have, which you're probably not going to be able to pick up, kind of here, it has like gold flicks in it, and I don't know whether you're going to be able to see that. And it also has a gold fleck here. Don't know whether you're going to be able to see it, and you're probably wondering what the hell I'm talking about. I think it's a nice length. It's comfortable, it's flowy, it fits well, and I really do like it. I've popped it on with the jeans. I'll just lower you down a little bit. It comes to about here, and yeah, it's nice. I like it. Right, okay, so I just have the skirt left to try, so hang tight, and I'm back with this skirt. I meant dress, sorry. I'm back with the dress in a minute. Hi guys, so we're back with the final outfit. This is the dress. Woo! I'm not sure whether I like this or not. I look forward to your guys' comments and your input and feedback. So, here we are. Now what I do like is the V-neck. I think it's very flattering. I do like the sleeves. This is very sheer, you can see through it. I like the little button detailing going down here. The waist, I thought it was elastic, but it's not, but it cinches me in. And then obviously you've got the skirt area. So it has this lace sort of like, I don't know how you describe it. It's like a layered look. Is that what I'm trying to say? It is got a lining underneath. The length is, I would say, okay. Do you like the length? Put you down so you can see the bottom of it. Stand back. Okay. I quite like this actually. I didn't think I would. I could see myself putting this on with like a denim jacket. I'm not 100% sure, guys. I think I like it. I'll have to look at the playback, because often I like something and then when I see the video it's like, no, what was I thinking? Okay, right. Well, that's the try on complete. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to take this off and then we'll go through final thoughts and pricing. See you in a minute. Bye. Hello, so here we are back with the final part of my video. This is where we go through my final thoughts and we go through pricing. So we get our paperwork in a little wallet like this. Inside you'll find styling cards, other pieces that you have which you possibly may be able to style with items you might already have in your wardrobe, which I think is a really good idea. However, I never use them. Next we have this to inform you that if you would like to take out a Lookiero yourself and try it, you'll get 10% off your first box. I get £10 credited to my account if you use my link that I will leave down below. Then we get a letter from stylist. My stylist was again called Toby. He's doing a fantastic job, so I will be obviously keeping him hopefully. The letter just tells you how to put the pieces on, what to wear them with, etc, etc. And then we have the all-important invoice. This is the price sheet. So let's have a look and see how much these lovely things cost. I can't open it. Right, there we go. So the first item is made by Villa. This is the midi dress in beige. It's a large and it costs £48. So that was this one. I'm not entirely sure about this. There's a lot of aspects I do like about this dress. For me, it's not casual enough. I don't know. This is more for what maybe you'd wear for lunch, a lunch date or something. I don't quite feel it probably fits my lifestyle. I like things a little bit more plain and a little bit more casual. So for that reason, I probably won't be keeping this. Then next we had the jacket. This is made by B. Young. This is in a light brown. It is an XXL size, and this is £49.99. I do like this. I don't own a jacket in this colour. I thought the fit was quite good. I felt the jacket looked flattering, and there's quite a few things that I could actually wear this with. So for me, this is probably going to be a keeper. Then we had the jumper. This one. This is made by Only. It's a sweater knit. It's in large. It's black, and this is £28. I absolutely love this. I love the quality of it. It's so soft. It's easy to wear. I like the V-neck. I think it gives some elegance. It's in a large, and I really, really do like this. It's just a shame that you can't see this like gold flecks in it, which I quite like because it's quite subtle. So for me, this is probably going to be a keeper. Okay, then next we had the jeans. Oh my dear, the jeans. So this is made, these are made by Carmacama. They are called ankle jeans. They're a size 18. They're in black, and they cost £35. I'm so bummed out that these didn't look right on me. I don't know what is going on. Please, 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 someone in the comments, let me know why I keep getting these like ridges or wrinkles in the trousers, in the legs. I don't know if it's a sizing issue, whether it's my issue, whether it's the material issue. I'm just not quite sure what's going on there. It's a shame because I probably would have definitely kept these, but as it stands, they will need to be returned. It's a shame though. Right, so that just leaves the t-shirt. This is made by Frequent. This is a biter t-shirt. It's in an extra large. The colour is dark grey, and the price is £15.95. Wow, that's the cheapest t-shirt I've ever bought from a box subscription before. As you can probably gather from my try on, I really did like this t-shirt. This is something that I will definitely be keeping. Okay, so the whole box came to a grand total of £176.94. Then we have a £10 styling fee to come off. Then we have a £10 credit. So somebody must use my link. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I so appreciate it. Then you get 25% discount if you keep all 5 items. That is a further £41.74. So the grand total is £115.20. I think Toby did a really, really good job. I feel like he's definitely getting me now. He's getting my taste of clothes. The dress was a bit of a fail, but I appreciate the fact that sometimes the stylists do try to get you into something else and just out of your comfort zone. The thing I can't stress enough is I'm a very, 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 very casual girl. I do have little grandchildren. So, you know, they have to be ideal and suitable for their needs as well as my own needs. So I thought it was a good box. He did a good job. So I look forward to my next fix from him. Anyway, that's it for now. If you'd like to see more from yours truly, hit that one or that one. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit that one. Until we speak again, take care and each other. Bye for now. Bye. Bye.